Debt, often perceived as a financial burden for many, can be wielded as a powerful tool in the hands of the wealthy. Far from being shackled by loans, affluent individuals strategically leverage debt to generate substantial wealth and propel their financial endeavors forward. In this exploration, we delve into the ways rich people make money with debt, uncovering the intricate strategies and tactics employed by the affluent to harness borrowed capital for lucrative gains. From building vast empires to seizing investment opportunities and securing future prosperity, the wealthy navigate the realm of debt with finesse, turning what may seem like liabilities into assets of substantial value. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind the success of the affluent in utilizing debt as a catalyst for financial abundance and prosperity. Welcome to my channel, Empire Building: How the Wealthy Forge Financial Dynasties. Rockefeller's journey epitomizes the transformative power of debt in wealth accumulation. Starting as a farmer's son and high school dropout, Rockefeller recognized early on that access to capital could unlock immense opportunities in the business world. Leveraging a modest loan from his father, he initiated a small agricultural trading venture, marking the inception of his entrepreneurial ascent. Through astute financial management and innovative business practices, Rockefeller navigated the evolving landscape of the oil industry, strategically utilizing debt to consolidate smaller competitors and establish Standard Oil as a dominant force. His ability to secure favorable lending terms and judiciously employ borrowed funds propelled him to unparalleled success, culminating in vast wealth and influence. Despite his humble beginnings, Rockefeller's unwavering commitment to prudent debt management and strategic investment underscored the pivotal role of borrowing in his meteoric rise to becoming the wealthiest American of his time. Unveiling the wealthy's financial strategy: living off debt, not salary. While the opulent lifestyles of the wealthy are often envied, a lesser-known secret lies behind their extravagant expenditures. In 2021, Elon Musk shed light on this mystery through a tweet, revealing his reliance on stocks rather than traditional income. Musk's wealth primarily stems from his ownership of Tesla stocks worth billions, which he strategically refrains from selling to avoid hefty capital gains taxes. Instead, he leverages these stocks as collateral to secure loans, effectively living off borrowed funds. This approach yields dual benefits for Musk. Firstly, it circumvents tax obligations on borrowed money, allowing him to freely indulge in his lifestyle. Secondly, by retaining ownership of his Tesla stocks, he preserves their value and potential growth. With careful management, Musk perpetuates this cycle by continually refinancing his debts against his appreciating assets, ensuring sustained financial freedom. Through this innovative financial maneuvering, Musk exemplifies how the wealthy leverage debt to maintain opulent lifestyles and accumulate wealth without traditional salaries. The wealthy's fascination with real estate: leveraging debt for lucrative returns. While many struggle to pay off a single mortgage, the affluent embrace a different approach, borrowing to acquire multiple properties worldwide. Contrary to expectation, these properties often serve as investments rather than personal residences, showcasing a unique facet of the wealthy's financial strategy. Even individuals with billions in net worth, such as Elon Musk, opt to borrow substantial sums for real estate acquisitions, despite having the means to pay outright. What sets the wealthy apart is their astute utilization of debt as a tax-efficient wealth-building tool. By leveraging loans to finance property purchases, they capitalize on the tax benefits associated with real estate investments. For instance, through depreciation deductions, property owners can offset taxable income, resulting in significant tax savings. This savvy maneuvering allows the wealthy to generate substantial rental income while minimizing tax liabilities, further enhancing their wealth accumulation efforts. In essence, the rich's penchant for real estate lies not only in property ownership, but also in their adept use of debt to unlock lucrative returns and preserve financial autonomy. The art of strategic borrowing: how the wealthy safeguard assets and pursue growth. When Elon Musk embarked on the acquisition of Twitter, his decision to borrow $13 billion amidst a net worth of nearly $250 billion may appear perplexing to the average observer. However, this move was meticulously calculated, reflecting a sophisticated financial strategy known as a leveraged buyout, LBO. In an LBO, borrowed funds are secured against the assets of the acquired company, mitigating personal risk for the buyer. Musk's acquisition of Twitter transcended mere profit-seeking, as he viewed it as a means to advocate for social change and safeguard free speech. Despite potential doubts about Twitter's profitability, the LBO structure limited Musk's risk to the equity invested, shielding his personal assets from lender recourse in the event of failure. By leveraging borrowed capital, Musk not only secured his financial interests, but also maintained the autonomy of his diverse business portfolio. This strategic approach exemplifies how the wealthy strategically navigate risk and opportunity, leveraging debt to protect assets and pursue transformative ventures. The wealthy's strategic debt management, maximizing returns and minimizing expenses. Mark Zuckerberg's astute handling of debt exemplifies the sophisticated financial strategies employed by the affluent. Securing a mortgage at a remarkably low interest rate of 1.05% in 2012, significantly below the average, underscored the confidence lenders had in his ability to repay. Leveraging his substantial net worth, Zuckerberg not only secured favorable lending terms, but also strategically allocated his capital for higher yield investments. By channeling his funds into more lucrative ventures, he ensured substantial returns that outpaced the interest paid on the mortgage. Moreover, Zuckerberg's decision to spread out the repayment over 30 years capitalized on the diminishing value of future payments due to inflation. This prudent approach allowed him to seize lucrative opportunities, defer expenses, and optimize his financial position in inflation-adjusted terms. Zuckerberg's mastery of debt management illustrates how the wealthy strategically leverage borrowing to enhance wealth accumulation and financial flexibility. Thanks for exploring the fascinating world of wealth creation through debt with us. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more insights into how the rich leverage debt to build their fortunes. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll continue to uncover the strategies and tactics that drive financial success. Subscribe now to stay updated on the latest content.